Y'all know Kiwi. Let me grab Kiwi real quick. Come here. Come here, buddy. You can trust me. Thank you. Kiwi, you're gonna get hurt again. You're gonna get hurt again if you keep doing that. Okay, here's Kiwi. He's a little turd. Oh, come on. Get him a finger. Nope. Come on, buddy. And here's Snow. Yeah. Come here, bud. Snow flies a lot better than Kiwi, so he can get away from you real quick, and he'll also bite the crap out of you, unlike Kiwi. Also, come on, bud. Come on. I can't do this forever. But he's adorable. I love him. I love them both. What the heck? I can't really do anything with Kiwi right now because Kiwi's hurt. Kiwi's chest is punctured, so. Please subscribe so I can afford new birds.